Hello children, in this chapter of health and hygiene, we studied that health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being of an individual, and when a person is healthy, then the disease will be absent. We also studied the two types of diseases, communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. Communicable diseases can be transmitted from one person to another through droplet infection, contaminated food and water, direct contact, or through vectors. Whereas non-communicable diseases, they are not transmitted from one person to another, and generally they are caused due to deficiency of one or more nutrients, or sometimes due to not working of the organs properly in the body. Okay, after that we studied that personal hygiene and community hygiene help us to maintain our health, right? We also studied about the proper garbage disposal and how to prepare compost from the biodegradable waste. All these things we have studied in this chapter. Now we will be discussing the question answers related to this chapter. Okay, so you need to have your textbook for this particular exercise to be done, right? Yeah. So the first one is page number 100, section 1. Question number A, name the following disease causing microbes. Answer, germs. The state of physical, mental and social well-being. Answer, health. Practices that help in maintaining the health of an individual or community. Answer, hygiene. A protozoan infection caused due to contaminated food and water. Answer, amoebic dysentery. An organism that decompose waste. Answer, decomposers. Okay, going to the question number B, choose the correct option. Okay, here the first question is, organisms that carry germs inside their body and transmit them to the body of a healthy person are called. Answer, vectors. Which of the following is transmitted by the bite of female Anopheles mosquito? Answer, malaria. Which of the following is a non-communicable disease? Answer, anemia. Lack of intake of iodine in the diet can cause. Answer, goiter. Disease caused due to lack of one or more essential nutrients in the diet is called deficiency diseases. Okay, coming to the question number C, write true or false. Correct the false statement by changing the first or the last word only. You need to change only the first word or the last word. Okay, so the first one is, common cold is spread through droplet infection. True. Female Anopheles is a disease causing organism. Answer, false. Okay, in place of disease causing organism you will be writing vector. Female Anopheles is a vector. Next, fracture of limbs are the symptoms of polio. False. In place of fracture you will be writing paralysis. Okay, paralysis of limbs are the symptoms of polio. Next, we should recycle waste in order to reduce their amount. True. Blue bins are meant for disposing biodegradable waste. False. In place of blue bins you will be writing green bins. Green bins are meant for disposing biodegradable waste. Okay, question number D, choose odd one out and give reason for your choice. Okay, I'll be dictating you the answers. You will not be able to see it clearly in the video, but then the answer I will be dictating so that you can write it. Okay, so the first one is rickets, goiter, tuberculosis, scurvy. Which one is the odd one out over here? It is tuberculosis. Okay, tuberculosis is a communicable disease, whereas rickets, goiter, scurvy are non-communicable diseases. Okay, second one, cholera, polio, chickenpox, rabies. The odd one out is cholera. Cholera, it is caused by bacteria, whereas polio, chickenpox, rabies are caused by virus. Right? Next one, beriberi, scurvy, goiter, night blindness. Odd one out is night blindness. Night blindness is caused due to deficiency of, sorry, one second. Yeah, so next one is beriberi, scurvy, goiter, night blindness. The odd one out is goiter. Okay, not night blindness, it is goiter. Goiter, it is due to deficiency of iodine, whereas beriberi, scurvy and night blindness, they are due to deficiency of vitamins, right? Next one, diabetes, kidney failure, heart disease, anemia, right? Here the answer is odd one out is anemia, because it is a deficiency disease, whereas diabetes, kidney failure and heart disease are due to the non-functioning of different organs, or you can consider them as non-functioning of the different organs or metabolic diseases. Okay, next, metal cans, glass bottles, vegetable peels, plastics. So here the odd one out is vegetable peels, because it is biodegradable, whereas others are non-biodegradable waste, right? Yeah. Next we go to write any one symptom of the following diseases. Now for this you can get the answer from page number 91 and 92, table 7.1. okay, I'll just show you the table so that you understand what I am talking about. Okay, I will not be discussing all the diseases, but then I'll just show you how you can find out. You have to just write the symptom of the following diseases from table 7.1 on page number 91 92. okay, so I'll just show you over here page number 91. okay, for example, we are having dengue over here. okay, and what is the symptom of dengue? Last column you can see headache, fever, joint pain. okay, same way you can write from page number 92 about the symptoms related to rabies. okay, fear of water, that is hydrophobia, conjunctivitis, redness in the cornea of eye, itching, dryness, thick yellow discharge from the eye. okay, coming to the next one, cholera, frequent diarrhea and vomiting of clear liquid, dehydration, muscle cramps, malaria, severe fever with chills. okay, so just the symptoms you need to write for all the diseases and nothing else is to be written. okay, so whatever diseases are mentioned over here, for those diseases you will be writing the symptoms, right? Coming to the next question, match the following columns A and B. okay, so first one is virus, answer is germ. Second one, dengue, answer bite of Aedes mosquito. Third, common cold, answer droplet infection. Ascariasis, worm. Malaria, bite of female Anopheles mosquito. okay, so these are the answers of section 1. okay, after that we will be going to section 2.